Not a whole lot going on in the Mississippi area, just some scattered cloud cover, but you'll notice there is that cold front moving its way to the east, accompanied by this low pressure system that's really been bringing a lot of rain to the area, and that's actually going to bring us some rain later in the night. We're starting out very nice outside in the low 70s, high 60s for much of the area. Not a lot of variation there. We're sitting nice and comfortable. The rest of the day is looking very good too. At 86, maybe some chance for some storms. I'm going to talk about that in a second. That's really going to be an evening thing, but we're looking very, very good for today, at least for now. Partly cloudy skies, maybe a little gusty actually. You may want to take that into account when you're planning your day. Temperatures decreasing throughout the day into the evening down to the mid 70s. That rain chance is really going to be in that evening hour. So throughout the day, you're not going to have to worry so much about the rain, but about the heat. And then once we get into the evening, that thing you're going to deal with is going to be that rain. So just make sure you have that raincoat if you do decide to go outside at the night. But the timing for this is going to look like is as we move into our dinner hour, that's when this line of scattered showers and thunderstorms is going to make its way. It's a broad swath right here, and coverage and amount of rain is going to vary depending on the location that you're in. And really up until about 12 a.m., that rain chance is going to remain. It's a very slow mover, so it's going to be bringing some rain. So not a lot of rain, but definitely it's going to stay around for a while, so expect to get some sprinkles here and there. Now, I wouldn't worry too much about the front. The temperatures, it's a very weak front, so temperatures are not going to drop too much over the next few days, but there is the chance that a few of these storms could be severe. And I just want to point out that our main risk for our area, our viewing area, is going to be to the northwest. Off to our southeast, we do have a bit of a risk too, but mainly if it's anything, I don't expect it to be too much. Really an isolated severe thunderstorm warning, maybe some gusts, strong gusts, maybe some small hail. I wouldn't expect it to be larger than like dime or nickel size or quarter size. So definitely not very large hail, but it's something to look out for if you do plan on going outside or having any activities. Temperatures for the rest of the week are looking fairly monotonous. There's not a lot of change throughout the week, but look out. There is this cold front that is popping in on Friday. That's going to drop temperatures down to much more seasonable temperatures in the low 70s, and that's going to feel much more comfortable than what we've been experiencing. I'm sure if you aren't already, you're going to be bored with this pattern just sitting in the high 80s over the past week and a half. Really, it's going to be nice to be able to drop down into the 70s. Now, as for the rest of the week, the pattern is this. Thunderstorms early in the week, accompanied by not a lot of temperature change, but notice once we get into the weekend, once we get to game day, those temperatures drop down after that cold front passes through Friday, and we get into those more seasonable and autumn-like temperatures.